Hi children, today I am going to explain how to find the slope of a line passing through the points x1, y1 and x2, y2. So all of you look at the figure and observe the explanation. It is very important for you. We know that a coordinate plane containing x-axis and y-axis. Okay children, x-axis, that is horizontal line, vertical line is called y-axis. So here what we are observing, let us consider a point x1, y1, another point b x2, y2. Now these 2 points we join with a ruler, we got a line. So observing, so let a x1 y1, b x2 y2 be 2 given points. Let a be the straight line passing through the points a and b. Let theta be the inclination of the line AB. See here theta be the inclination of the line. Otherwise look at this picture. Theta be the inclination of the line AB. So now draw the perpendiculars A to L. A to L is a perpendicular and B to M. If extend the x-axis, B to M, another perpendicular. Look here. A to L, one perpendicular line on x-axis. B to M is another perpendicular line on x-axis respectively. And also draw, see here, A to N is a perpendicular on BM. A to N is a perpendicular drawn on BM. See here, A to N is a perpendicular drawn on BM. Then let us consider angle NAB equal theta. Angle NAB, see here, NAB here also. NAB is theta. Understood children? Understood it is clearly? Because AL and BM are parallel lines. Now draw a transversal. Now we got here theta based on this one, parallel lines. So corresponding angles are equal. Here BN. So look at the picture. B next N. BN value, how to got it? Total value BM minus MN. Total part minus NM part, if you remove, you got BN value. So that is BM minus, see, NM is parallel to AL and equal also. Okay children, then what happened? This value you can write as BM minus MN. BM minus MN is nothing but BM minus AL, because MN equal to AL. Hence BM value already know what is Y2 minus AL value Y1. Then A to N value find. A to N. So A to N, how to got it? A to N is nothing but what? LM. So LM, how you got it? OM minus OL part remove, you got LM or ML part. It is nothing but x2 minus x1. x2 minus x1. Then we have the definition of the slope of the line. So according to the definition, we will derive the equation. Hence M equal to tan theta. So tangent of the theta. So tangent of the theta, how to find? Opposite side to theta by adjacent side to the theta. Now look at the picture. Here theta is there. Theta opposite side is what children? BN. By adjacent side what children? AN. So bn by an. We already have the values. Bn is nothing but y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1. Hence, the slope of a line passing through the points x1, y1 and x2, y2 is m equal to y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1. Are understood, children? Now, here I given some of the values of the theta and how to find the slope. Look at the picture here. Theta values and m equal to what is the formula? Tan theta. If theta equals 0 degrees, then what is the slope? Tan 0 degrees value 0. If theta 30 degrees, then what is the slope value? M equal to tan 30. Tan 30 1 by root 3. If theta equal to 45 degrees, then m equal to tan 45. Tan 45 value how much, children? 1. If theta equal to 60 degrees, then m equal to tan 60 degrees. Tan 60 degrees how much, children? Root 3. If theta equal to 90 degrees, then slope, what is the slope? Tan 90 degrees is not defined. If theta 120 degrees, then tan 120 degrees how much, children? Minus root 3 by using all silver teacups. Okay, children? If theta 135, then what is the slope value? Minus 1. That is nothing but tan 135 is equal to minus 1. If theta equal to 150 degrees, then what is the slope? M equal tan 150 degrees. Tan 150 how to write? Tan 90 plus 60. So cot 60. So cot 60 nothing but what? Minus 1 by root 3 by using all silver teacups. These are the some of the examples about slope. So important note point, children. If the points A, B and C are collinear. So collinear means, do you know, children? 3 points lies on a same line. A, B, C. Those are called collinear points. So look at the picture. A, B, C are collinear points. Then the slope of M1 of AB. AB slope, let it be M1. Then the slope of BC is M2. BC slope is M2. So ABC are collinear means what happened? Slopes are equal. M1 is equal to M2 because those are collinear points. Are you understood, children? So what you got in? The slope of a line passing through the points x1, y1 and x2, y2 is m is equal to y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1. It is very important formula how to find slope of a line passing through the 2 points x1, y1 and x2, y2. Please remember this formula. And children, all of you note it down on your CWR running notebook. Next class, we will see some of the example regarding how to find slope of the line passing through the any two given points. Okay, thank you.